Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can tag people in TikTok videos. Okay, so I'm going to open up TikTok right now, and all you need to do is go ahead and either upload a video from your camera roll or to just take one from the TikTok camera by tapping the plus icon at the bottom in the center. So I will do that, and I think I'll just record something real quick. I think it needs to be at least 5 seconds long, so I'll just keep this going for that long, and that should be fine. I'm going to tap on the tick mark, and now you can edit your TikTok video how you want. I'm just going to push next to save time, and then you'll notice you just give it a description and everything like that, and right there it says tag people. So I'm going to tap on tag people. What you want to do is you want to type in the username of the person right over here to search for their account. So I do think you need to be following the person in order for it to work. So I'm just going to tag this account right here at the top, my other account, and then I'm going to tap on done. Once you have done that, just make sure everything is right, and then you can go ahead and tap on the post button at the bottom right hand corner to go ahead and post that. That person will now be tagged. They'll get a notification in their TikTok notification center that they have been tagged in a video, and you can tag multiple people in one specific TikTok video, and that's the process. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.